We are now going to look at finding the volumes of these two prisms. One in which we are told the area of the cross-section, and the second in which we will have to find the area of the cross-section first before we multiply it by the height. In our first prism, we are shown the cross-sectional area, and we are told that that cross-sectional area is 10 centimeters squared. And we have a height of this prism in the normal direction, up and down, of 3 centimeters. Because we are told the height, we can immediately use our formula for the volume of a prism. Volume equals area times height. So, once we've established we're going to use that formula, we write the formula down, we list our pronumerals, and put in their values. The volume is what we are trying to find. The area is 10 centimeters squared. And the height is 3 centimeters. We can now substitute these values into our formula. The volume we do not know is equal to the area, 10, times the height, which is 3. 10 times 3 is 30. We are dealing with centimeters, so centimeters cubed. In our second example, we are not told the area of the end, but we are given enough information to help work that out. So first of all, we need to work out what is the shape that is being repeated all the way through this prism. What is the cross-sectional area? It's this triangle. It's the same shape all the way through our prism. So we've now identified that it's a triangle. We write down our formula for the area of a triangle. Area equals a half base height. List our pronumerals. And looking at our triangle, we realise that we don't know the area. We know the base, which is 4 meters, and we know the height, which is 2 meters. We can now use our formula for the triangle to work out the area of it. So the area we're finding is a half times the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 2. A half of 4 is 2, and 2 2s are 4. So we have an area of 4 meters squared. But overall, we're trying to find the volume. So we go back to our formula for the volume of a prism. Volume equals area times height. List our pronumerals. The volume is what we are trying to find. The area we have just calculated, and that's 4 meters squared. And the height, a bit unusual, but the height is this direction here, because it is the distance between the two triangle ends. So sometimes our height is up and down, sometimes it is just sideways. It depends on where the two ends are that are the same. So my height in this case is 8 meters. It's the distance between our two ends. I can now substitute this in. The area is 4 and the height is 8. So I have a volume of 4 times 8, which is 32, and we are dealing with meters cubed.